Hello everyone. Our today's job is to create SSL certificate for a website. We will use Ubuntu for creating that. First of all, we have to go to in our terminal and we have to go inside our root folder. We have already in our root folder. Now let's create three folders in CF folder, sub CF folder, and server CF by writing this command. Let's view them. Here we have a folder CA. Under CA we have three subfolder: root CA, server, and sub CA. Now we will change the folder directory. We have changed our folder directory. Now we will create index file for root CA and sub CA. Let's view them again. Here it has been created. Now we will generate 16-bit hex code to create serial number of root CA and sub CA. First of all, create hex code using OpenSSL. Now we'll use this code to create serial number for our root CA and sub CA. Now we'll use that for sub CA. Okay, let's do it again. Yeah, we have serial folder. Now we will get private key for root CA. CDCA. By using this command, we are generating a private key for our root CA. We have to enter a password. Now we will generate another private key for our sub CA. We have to enter password again. And we have to create another private key for our server C. Okay, we have created three private keys for root CA, sub CA, and for server. Now let's view them by using free. Yeah, we have free key for root, for server, and for sub CA. Now we will create a config file for root CA. We will use this command. We'll edit the config file by pressing A in keyboard. After pressing A here, we can insert. Now I am pasting the code. For saving that, we have to press escape and clone WQ. Let's do that. Yes, we have rootca.config in our root CA folder. We will cd to root CA, cd root CA. Now we will create a certificate by using root cs config file and ca private key. We can add our locality name. Organization name is perfect. Organization unit name is IT. A common name. It's as it is root certificate, so I can name it root. Email address, no need for that. Okay, it's done. Now we can view the certificate we have created before. Let's view that. Here we can see that issuer and the subject is same as it is a self-signed certificate. Now we will create config file for our subca. For that we have to go to our subca folder. We will cd there. We came to our subca folder and we will create another config file for subca. For editing we have to press A. We'll paste our code, escape, clone WQ for saving that. Yeah, done. Now we will create a sign-in request for for the sub by subca config file and subca private key. Let's do that. So, we have to enter password. I think here we are generating a CSR certificate signing request for subca. But locality says organization name is IT common name subca. Okay. Now we have to go to ca directory, cd dot now here we will sign the subca request into root ca. Okay, I have came to different folder. We have to go to root ca, cd root ca, paste it here. In subca folder, sorry, in root ca folder, we are using this command for signing the subca request in root ca, and here we have to enter a password. And it is asking to verify that truly I want to certify it or not. It's yes, I Okay, database has been updated. Now we will check index file. Yes, we can see it here. Um, Now we'll use this command to check who is signing our subject. Here issuer is Iram root and subject is Iram subject. Okay. Now we will create signing request for server. So we have to cd to server. Now we will use to generate CSR for server. We use name bd state let's say run. Organization name, let's say Khan website. Organization unit, and let's say IT. Common name, we will use our website. Let's name anything khanwebsite.com. Email address, number for it, no password, no password. Okay. Now we will sign this as we have generated CSR for our server. Now we will go to our subca and sign the request or sign the server from subca. Okay. It came to subca. Now using this command we will sign our server. Yes, I want to verify. Yes. Okay. Now let's go to server dot search directory and use ls here. Here we can see server dot search is here. Now we are connecting server dot search and subca dot search and name it another, give it another name like change crt. Okay, it is done. Now we will assign ip address. We have came to city server. We will use tree here. Let's see, we have change crt, server crt, server csr, server e. Okay, now we will go IP address and our website in etc host. Now let's ping that. Site.com. spinning correctly. Here we can see that our IP address is spinning correctly. We'll stop it by pressing Ctrl C, and we will uh, we will say open 443 port for HTTPS by using this command. Okay, you can see that it is accepted. Now we have to create a new terminal. Here we have to create, first of all we have to go to our root directory. Now we will use ss ntl to view that if 443 is okay for all port or not. Here we can see that it is on for every port. Now we will use sudo apt update, and then we will install curl. We have to wait a bit for updating. Okay, now it's updated and we will install curl. Yes, we want to install curl. Now we will check HTTPS. We'll curl our server by HTTPS. Here we can see that, and we can see that curl failed to verify legitimacy because we have generated self-signed certificate and we need to copy the certificate to see a certificate. So let's copy our certificate to our CA certificate and update the certificate folder, CA certificate folder, and then curl here again. .c. Here we have updated our certificates, CA certificate folder. Now let's .cu. Okay, now here we can see that it is showing perfectly, and our server is ready to use HTTPS. Now we can exit from this terminal. We'll press Ctrl C. Now for running HTTPS we need a server. We will use Nginx server for our purpose. So let's install Nginx server. Okay, we have successfully installed Nginx server. Now we can check the status of Nginx server. Now we will config our ngx conf file by using this command. Here. Now we will open another window. Sudo I became root, and here we will go to SRC folder and create a directory. exit. Okay, now we can echo. Yes, it is echoing here. Now we can turn it, but it is failed to connect. A restart can make it happen. We can restart it. Now we have to copy our certificate to a folder by using this command. We are copying our certificate from rootca to a folder. Then we will here we can see the certificate. Now our task is to import it to Mozilla Firefox. For that reason, we have to go to settings, privacy and security, certificates, and import our certificate. I have already imported it. So now we can go to terminal again and let's start our website. Okay, our website is saying hello. Now we can view our website. Yes, we have our website and it is secured. We can see our connection. We can view our connection from here. Certificate is secure. More information. View certificate. Yes. Issuer is organization subca. This is common name is subca. It is certified by subca, and my Iram subca is certified by Iram root certificate. So yeah, it is. Finally, we have added our website. And that's all. Thank you.